Right now, we're seeing something noteworthy in the finance sentiment space. A sentiment score of plus 0.62 and momentum at plus 0.72. This spike is particularly interesting because it's significantly above the historical baseline, indicating an unusual surge in positive sentiment around financial assets. If you're building an application that needs to leverage sentiment data, our API returns precise metrics like sentiment scores, momentum, and even breaks down data into 20 semantic clusters, allowing you to tailor your analytics to specific financial topics. For instance, imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm to optimize entry and exit points based on real-time sentiment shifts. To dive deeper into our API documentation, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's harness this data to enhance your applications together.